Remove watermark from picture. Go to the inpaint.com. Scroll down to learn the process. Click Upload, then choose any picture with watermark from PC or web. After uploading a picture, zoom in the picture. You will see a red round cursor. Hold the right button on mouse and select the watermark one by one. Then click Erase button. Always select watermark one by one so that you can get good finishing. Every time you select, you have to click Erase button. You can also download it. Here is the final result. No watermark. Follow us for more.